colors I'm using in this pour is this metallic, what is this called? Shimmering Steel from Folk Art. I really like how this works next to black if I'm doing something where I really want it to have like an outer space kind of feel, because this color kind of goes into the black and it makes a subtle effect. So I feel like it's a nice transition for a look that I like. I have also used, I think it was this color, I'm not sure. Here I have actually just some little turquoise color that I used. I did not use those greens in this particular pour, so don't pay attention to that. I used a little bit of this aquamarine. I also used Extreme Sheen, like an emerald Extreme Sheen color. So yeah, this is like some emerald Extreme Sheen that I used. I have Prussian blue and Amsterdam black. And I also have a little bit of Amsterdam white in this. And I have, some of them were leftover paints, so they were mixed up with Floetrol and water. And to those I added a little bit of this Elmer's School Glue. And there was a couple colors I mixed up fresh, and for those I just mixed School Glue and water. And this is because I saw Fiona talking about doing her flowers with mixing glue. I don't think it was exactly this kind, or at least the video I saw was not exactly this kind. But the result was okay. I think that the results that she gets from her normal pouring medium, I feel like it has a little bit more dynamic results, but I don't have those ingredients. So I thought even if I get results kind of like what she got with glue, I would be pretty happy with that. So I decided to try that, at least for right now. So that's the lineup, my friends. So let's get going into this video. I think I will put some of this blue. I'll put some black also. Put them together. So I just did a painting, which is why I have all this color here, and I'm going to use the same colors pretty much for this one. I'm going to put in a little of this black. Well, that was a little fatter than I intended. Okay. I might have just too much there now. I think I have too much paint. I don't think this is gonna work. So I'm gonna carry forth, but we'll see. Maybe I have to start over. I wanted some space in the background so I could put stars, but good luck with that, huh? Alright, so I was wanting to make a space flower. Now I'm just hoping I'm gonna even get a flower at all. I think also my paints could be a little too thin. My dear friend Donna sent me this. This July is either going to be 2 years or 3 years. I think it could be 3. I'm not even sure. She sent me this. These were napkins from Slovenia from our friend Janja. She sent some of these to Donna, and Donna was so kind to send me a few. And this is another type that I think you can get here in the United States. I believe Donna sent these so I can compare. I have never used these. I'm going to use this for the first time. And there was something else she sent in that package too. These little cups I had never gotten around to using. But these actually saved me for this year's May the 4th Be With You presentation, because I wanted to do an open cup pour, but I needed a cup that had a small opening. And I was getting this intuition that said, look at the rest of the things that Donna sent you in that package, because I think there's something there you can use for your cup that's the right size. And sure enough, these were there. I had never used these either. The first one I used, I cut off the bottom to use for my May the 4th pour for this year, 2024. So Donna, thank you so much. I appreciate this. I appreciated it even on the day that I opened it, and now I'm going to use. I think I'm going to try this because I think I set this pour up very badly. I don't think this has a prayer of working, so I sure don't want to waste one of these beautiful napkins from Slovenia. Okay, so I put a little bit of mist of water on my paper towel, and I'm going to give this a try. I'm going to try to copy what I have seen Fiona do. Oops, I don't think she slides it though. Okay. Oh, this is a little more tricky than I thought. Okay, now I know Fiona goes like this. She taps it lightly. Okay. Now for the moment of truth, my friends. I know she takes these corners and brings them together. Oops. And oh boy, it's not as easy as Fiona makes it seem. Oh, that's pretty cool. I gave it a little twist because I was sort of hoping to end up with something I can say is my space flower. That actually is very nice. Look at this, it's so pretty. Wow, well, I kind of like it. I like it, I think, from this direction, so we're going to look at that in a minute. I think think from this direction is very nice. And look, it looks like it's getting little stars up there. Who knows, maybe I don't even have to add stars. It already kind of looks like it's glowing in space. Well, I actually am pretty happy with it, you know, for my first flower. You know, since I got these napkins, I tried one before Donna sent me those napkins, and it wasn't working at all. And she said it had something to do with the napkins. I also think it had to do with putting the right things in the paint, because even now Fiona has used bubble wrap and it's coming out good, and I've seen people even use like looks like plastic, and it came out nice. So I think it was more that I didn't have the right ingredients that would give it nice effects. But this is pretty. I like it.